Before showing you the table about Jerusalem, Israel, the quarrel over it definitely, let us see the verse in Zechariah which speaks about the future, and this is what he says: it will come about in that day that I will make Jerusalem a heavy stone for all the people. All who lift it will be severely injured, and all the nations of the earth will be gathered against it. Now this is Zechariah 12:3. Now it's very interesting that really, as it is known, just in the beginning of the year 5776, the United Nations, it will be the second day of Rosh Hashanah, are going to meet and to discuss, very likely, that this topic will be the center, and the nations really will show great resistance to Israel. Now let us see what the table shows, looking for Jerusalem in the yearly 5776, which is a time definitely appropriate for Mashiach. So what we have it is the book of Deuteronomy, which is really against our thousand, the fifth book, chapter 18, verse 12. And this is what is written in the best meeting of Jerusalem, and with the year 5776, which is the time destined for Mashiach. Definitely, it deserves keeping Torah. So in many places. Now, what you have here also, it is interesting. You have here Jerusalem, which is really Bekerev, in the center or in the midst of Israel. You know quite well. And clearly also saying, Lo Ishmael, not Ishmael, the Arabs wanted, but definitely, as God promised to Isaac, to Abraham. And this is no doubt, clear proof belong to us, and all the verses really show that Hashem Elokecha noten lecha nachala. This is a portion which God gives to you. Then, again, you find the same verse coming here, Ontana Hashem Elokecha be'adecha, God will give it in your hands. Now, looking more into this, another verse really said, Hashem Elokecha noten lecha, now clearly showing that Israel, Jerusalem in the center, belong to Jews, as God promised them. Now, what we have here is interesting, like indication, there will be kind of war and quarrel, ariv, milchama. And the place coming here is the United Nations. You know quite well that a great meeting is going to take place in the second day of Rosh Hashanah. No doubt, indicating that it's going to be really a severe meetings of nations, very likely blaming Israel, and no doubt that a lot of resolutions will come against Israel, even in Jerusalem. Now, who is really in the center is interesting. This is Obama. You can see Obama here, coming here, Obama. You can see Obama. And also, we see the quarrel with Obama, it's clearly with Netanyahu. Now, amazingly, listen, Milchama will be kind of war, can be spiritual war, as we said. And Edom, these are Edom, Europe, you have Europa, here coming also Europe, and even Arsot Abrit, Obama from the state. Really, they said we should give up part of Jerusalem definitely to the Arabs. Then you have the month, interesting Tishrei, which always take place, and the year, as we said, 5776. Then also, what is interesting, we have a really clear indication that Eliyahu will come, redeem us. And then, as we said, many verses showing that the land and Jerusalem belong to us, as God says, God will give to you in your hand, and Hashem God will give it to you as a nachala, inheritance. And as we say, we found it few times coming here also, Hashem nachala. But everything definitely is in the merit of keeping Torah. And as we say, this year, Tavshin Vav, very suitable for Mashiach after the sabbatical, and you have it here, Mashiach, but definitely everything is in the merit of keeping Torah properly. And as God says, when we keep the Torah, then we'll have Israel, and we have Mashiach, we'll have also definitely peace all over the world.